It's wonderful to have you all here at Bright Educational Classes. In today's class, we are going to begin our new journey of economics, class 12th. So, as we begin, I sincerely congratulate each one of you for reaching class 12th. This is one of the most important years of your academic journey, and the concepts you learn this year will not only help you score excellent marks in the CBSE board examination but will also develop your understanding of the economy around you. So, before I begin, let me ask you the question. Every morning, every morning, when you go to buy something, okay, when you are buying something, like might be that you buy a cup of tea, or you travel by bus, pay school fees, or hear news about inflation, unemployment, or the union budget. What connects all these things? It connects economics, right? It is what? It is economics. So, economics is not merely a school subject, it is the study of how people, businesses, governments make choices because resources are limited with us, but our wants are unlimited. Alright? So, let me tell you, this economics is in class 12th. This economics is divided into two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. First is macroeconomics, and the next is Indian economic development, right? So, Indian economics development. I will be covering the topic from Indian economics development, so that if you are having any confusion in Indian development, you may ask into the comment, and we will begin the new journey of Indian economics development in a proper way. So, what we shall understand in the India's economy? In the first part, we basically ask the question like, what was India's economy like before independence? What challenges did our nation face in 1947? Which economic policies were adopted after independence? And how did LPG, it means liberalization, privatization, and globalization, transform India? What are the present opportunities and challenges before our economy? Here we see this subject is not about memorizing facts alone, it is about understanding why events happened, how policies were framed, and what impact they had on the lives of people. So, as we proceed through the course, always remember economics is the story of people, their choices, and the nation's development. At Bright Educational Classes, economics, the subject economics, will not be just the subject to memorize, but it will become a subject you understand and enjoy. If you have any doubt in any topic in the first chapter, because we are going to begin this chapter in the next class, so you may write down in the comment below, and any problem you are having, the girls and the boys, both of you, if you have any trouble in any topic anywhere in this chapter, first chapter, Indian economics on the eve of independence, you may ask. So accordingly, I'll be going that through that. All right. So see you all into the next class with the fresh mindset again, and we'll be enjoying this chapter, the first chapter and all the chapter in a very happy way.